Rebound taken by jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 02. To 23. To 13. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 13. 2 points. Now jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 34 to 19. Fake. Kick out. Jersey number 5. Fake. To the corner. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 13. Now foul. Now jersey number 02. Pass to jersey number 13. Aray ko, taway-taway. 4-0.
Rafael.
Now jersey number 5. Pass to 34 to jersey number 19. Pull-up jumper. There's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 21. That is your first personal foul. 2 shots. Basket first free throw. 4-1. One out of 2. Rebound taken by jersey number 28. 10 to shoot. There's a whistle. Now jersey number 02. Pass to 21. Now passing jersey number 21. Pass to 02. To 23. Now jersey number 23. Screen by jersey number 30. Pass to 21. Now steal from behind, but there's a whistle. Foul. Jersey number 5 is steal by jersey number 30. Jersey number 30 goes to coast. This is basket. 3-4. Now jersey number 02. Dribbling the ball. Screen by jersey number 21. Pass to 17. Attacking the basket. Pull-up jumper. Friendly bounce. 2 points. Size stress. Now jersey number 5. Jersey number 5 kick out to 34. 3-point attempt.
Yake, 6-all. First deadlock of the ball game.
Jersey number 17. Steal from behind. Pass to jersey number 5 to 19. Jersey number 19. Out of number 02 to 17. Another steal. Now jersey number 34. Pass to jersey number 5 to 19. Fake. Favor. Avancina Macau. Now jersey number 23. To jersey number 30. 10 to shoot. Bang! Wallace Ares.
8-all.
Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 7. To the corner to 19. Jersey number 19 to 7. Attacking the basket. They have 2 points.
Change favor.
6 minutes and 13. Now jersey
Macau.
number 23.
Galarpe.
Asking for ISO. Now jersey number 23. Spin move. Pull away jumper. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 19. Pass to 30. Now the flip. That goes to jersey number 10. Now jersey number 23 to 30. To jersey number 7. Pull up jumper. No good. Now rebounds on jersey number 7. Now jersey number 7 to 34. Pass to 19. Jersey number 19 attacking the basket. Home up. 12. 8. Now jersey number 23 is dribbling the ball.
Galarpe.
Pass to jersey number 5. A basket. A 2 out of 2. 12-10. Now jersey number 34. Pass to 7.
12-10.
Kick out to the corner to 19. Attacking the basket. Oh, God, the last no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 30. Pass to 23. Now jersey number 03. Pass to jersey number 17. To jersey number 10. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 34 to 19. Back to 34. 3-point attempt.
By Villate. 3-point bomber.
Now jersey number 23. Harassed by jersey number 12. Now jersey number 23 looking for pass. Pass to jersey number 30. Steal by jersey number 19. Now jersey number 19 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 34. Asking for play. Screen by jersey number 23. Another 3-point attempt. No. A rebound taken by jersey number 23. Now jersey number 23. Pass to 34. Time to shoot. 3-point attempt. No good. A rebound taken by jersey number 33. Pass to jersey number 10. Shoot 23 to 13. Now jersey number 30 coast to coast. Again. A rebound taken by jersey number 7. 4 minutes. Pass to jersey number 19. Steal by jersey number 03. Now jersey number 03 attacking the basket. There's a whistle. Fabacao. One out of 2. 11-15.
Solid. Cariza.
Now jersey number 7 attacking the basket. No good. Rebound by Antino.
Rito.
3 minutes and 40. Now jersey number 10. Harassed by jersey number 5. Now jersey number 10. Attacking the basket. Goal. Oh, the basket. A rebound taken by jersey number 7. Steal by jersey number 17. Up to punch. 13-17. 3 minutes and 15. Now jersey number 5 to jersey number 7 to 19 to the corner. Fake. Attacking the basket. Side step drop pass to 28. Bang. 2 points. 19-13. 13 in favor of Macau. Now jersey number 10. Dribbling the ball. And jersey number 23. Dribbling the ball. Attacking the basket. Rush pass. Nice pass. Oh, 3-point play. Tatlo man save. Now jersey number 23. Pass to the corner. Fake. There's no whistle. Tatlo man save. First free throw. 1 out of 2. Now jersey number 17. Dribbling the ball. Deflected. Steal by jersey number 5. Now jersey number 5. Harassed by jersey number 23. There's always a foul. Now jersey number 7. Traveling violation. Foul.
First throw by Galarte.
A basket first.
Last throw.
1 out of 2. Now jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 5. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 5. Fake. Attacking the basket. No good. Rebound by jersey number 17. 2 minutes. Now jersey number 23. Harassed by jersey number 21. Behind back. They're asking for screen. Jersey number 3 to 13. To jersey number 3. Time to shoot. How about game now, jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 30 to jersey number 5 to the corner to 21. Pass to jersey number 30. Back to 21. 10 to shoot. Follow up, no good. 5 to shoot. There's no whistle. 10 to shoot. Foul!
Zero to 2.
Ilaga po. Offensive foul.
1-11.
Jersey number 20. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 28. 1 minute. Foul. 1 out of 2. Wala na magsin.
18-20.
The jersey number 5. 10 to shoot. 3-point bomb. 2 points now. 2 points.
Long 2. 22-18.
Now jersey number 20. 30 segundos. Fade away, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 20. Pass to jersey number 5. Nabuya na. 20. Pass to jersey number 16. Nakuha si jersey number 33.